Now choose the correct answer. You have to choose the correct answer. First, Maria is outside in blank. So the garden. Who is blank in that car? So the woman. It is asking the question. It is, you can see here, interrogative question. So who is in the car? Who is the woman in that car? If it was giving an answer that a woman is sitting over there, so we can use but here it is an interrogative question, so we have used the. Is there blank in this bathroom? A shower in this bathroom? See, you must know the difference. Here it was a man. If we are talking about a man and woman, here the is used, but it was talking about things. So a shower. Blank is broken at the moment. Now it is not an interrogative question, so the shower is broken at the moment. I have got blank of rainbow on my wall, a poster. Now see determiner. A determiner is a word that comes before a noun and show its limits. It is really only an adjective. Words like the following are all determiners. Determiners means it determines, it is showing its limit, and it is used before a noun. Now see the words a, and, the, all, to, both, this, that, my, your, some, any, each, every, little, few. It is showing its limit that yes, there are two boys, there are some chalks, there are some pencils, there are few pens. So it is showing its limit. Or tree means one tree. So these all are known as determiner. Now see some, any. Some is normally used in affirmative sentence, any in negative and questions. We have seen in the last chapter, on the chapter number 4, that we are using somebody, someone, something in affirmative sentences, but anybody, anything, anyone is used in negative and interrogative sentence, means in the questions. See here, affirmative. In affirmative sentence, there will be it is positive sentence, means no or not will not come. See, there are some birds in the tree. It is affirmative sentence. It is telling that there are some birds in the tree. There aren't any birds in the tree. This sentence will become negative sentence because any is used and aren't means are not. So this sentence will become negative. The meaning is same, but the sentence becomes negative. Are there any birds in the tree? It is asking the question. It will become interrogative sentence. I haven't any money in my pocket. I have no money in my pocket. It is telling that not any is equals to no. Much, many, a lot of. Many is used with countables, much with uncountable. It is telling that when we are counting, when the thing is countable, many is used, but when the thing is not countable, means it is more, it is, we cannot count, so it will use much. Both are used in questions and negatives. It is telling that both many and much are used in negative questions and in negative sentence and in interrogative sentence. A lot of means a particular group of people or things. We use a lot of in affirmative sentence with countables and uncountables. It is telling that many and much is used in negative and interrogative sentence, but a lot of is used in affirmative sentence. Now let's see, how many tomatoes do you have? Question mark. It will become interrogative sentence and many is used. So many and much was used in negative and we don't have many tomatoes. Means it will become negative sentence and see many is used. How much cheese is there in the fridge? How much is used in question mark, means interrogative sentence. We had a lot of tomatoes. We had a lot of tomatoes means we had much tomatoes. Not many, we had much tomatoes. So but it become an affirmative sentence, and so a lot of is used. See, we had a lot of tomatoes, it will become an affirmative sentence, and so a lot of is used. There was a lot of milk in the fridge. It is affirmative sentence and a lot of is used. Now see, a few or little enough. Where we use a few, little and enough. We use a few with countables, a little with uncountables, enough with countables as well as uncountable. When the thing is countable, we use a few. When it is uncountable, a little. And enough in both the cases. For countables and for uncountables, we use enough. There are enough eggs for breakfast. Means there are enough means we can have breakfast with that eggs. Means there are enough means everybody will be satisfied with the eggs. We don't have enough money to buy a car. Means we don't have much money. हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं है कि हम कार ले सके. So we don't have enough money to buy a car. I have got a few tomatoes and a little cheese. Few tomatoes means 10 tomatoes or 12 tomatoes. Little cheese means can we count cheese? We cannot count cheese, we cannot count butter. So here a little cheese. So it will become uncountable. But tomatoes, if there are 10 tomatoes or 15 tomatoes, we can count. So I have got a few tomatoes and a little cheese. Now let's see the exercise. Fill in the blanks with some or any. You have to put some or any. I can't eat blank more potatoes. Some more potatoes or any more potatoes. So any will come. Any more potatoes. See, the sentence is negative. And so when we are talking about negative and interrogative, you have to remember that any will come, but when we are talking about affirmative, some will come. So you have to see that whether it is negative or interrogative, and according to it you have to, we have blank fine flowers in our garden. So this sentence is affirmative and we have used some. He asked me for blank soap, but I hadn't blank. He asked me for blank soap. Here it is not a question mark. So some soap, but I hadn't any. It was not an interrogative sentence. It was here till which it was affirmative, but I hadn't, had not, it will become negative, and so any is come. Don't make blank noise. I want to have blank sleep. See, here there is a comma. There are two sentences, but here there is a comma. So till this comma, don't make blank noise. Do not make any noise. This sentence is negative, but I want to have blank sleep. Means this sentence is affirmative, so some is coming. Now put in no or any. Now you have to put here no or any. I have blank time to play. Means I have no time to play. There is blank in the pot. There is no sugar in the pot. There isn't blank sugar in the pot. This was an affirmative sentence, but this will become negative sentence. There isn't blank sugar in the pot means any sugar. There were blank children in the park. So no children. There weren't blank children in the park. Any children. Now you have to use here not any form. So use the short form of not. He gave me no money. Now if we are using short form, so when we are writing did not will become didn't. He didn't give me any money. No will become any. The poor man had no shoes. So the poor man did not will become didn't, had will become have, any shoes, no will become any. There were no apples on the tree. So there were not, no will become any, there were not any apples on the tree. Tom has got no brothers or sisters. So Tom has not got any brothers or sisters. Work with your partner, write true sentences using the following. Now you have to use no, any, some, many, much, a little, a few, a lot of, and you have to make the sentences by your own. And I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.